So this is a model for marketing of personal growth or education apps in India. So here I have assumed that suppose the target customers are two groups of people, like students and professionals. Then students I have divided in two parts, like those who are preparing for competitive exams and those who are studying in any institution or college students. And for the professionals, these are special IT professionals in any. So coming to students, so students who are preparing for competitive exam, so they are preparing either self preparation or they are going to an institute. So we market our apps to reach these customers, to reach these institutions either through mail or internet or by direct or indirect approaches. So what we tell them that different institutions, that if you use an app, it will add value to your students, increase the efficiency of students, it will increase your success of your institutions. So basically you will target the institutions where there is a hub of whole group of institutions, so there will be a lot of competition among institutions. This will also help in virality. Then the students who are studying in school or colleges, they can use app. You can market like this, that you can use your app one night before exam or some days before exam, so this will increase your efficiency, so to increase your creativity and strength also. So you can reach to different schools and colleges either by online or through direct approaches or indirect approaches. So you can tell each head of the college or school, or you can use app at the starting of each class or the or at the lecture hall or the prayer session, or giving rewards for using the app, or you can launch it at the major festivals of colleges. And for the professionals, especially IT professionals in mass recruiting companies, so to increase the efficiency of the work and have more relaxed environment, so you can use the app in the offices at the starting hours of working hours. This is the office, these are the speakers, different speakers which will use your app like self growth or education app. So this will really increase the efficiency of the offices and the institutions.